Hi everyone. I want to do a summary video, or at least an introductory video of what you're about to see. I'm going to be releasing almost a vlog, a video blog of my do-it-yourself bear hunt in Idaho, and it's going to contain both the trip there, the 10 days in Idaho, and the trip back. I will tell you there is a bear story, and there's several bear stories in there. Then there was actually one that was taken. So feel free to go through and enjoy. This is more than a bear hunt for me, though. It was being able to see the last of the 50 states that I need to knock off. So I had 5 left. I got to do those. I drove literally through tornado warnings. I got to experience doing everything with my truck that I upgraded with the dip your car stuff, which the peelable body armor worked out fantastic. I also had a whole lot of stuff that I drug up there to try, and some stuff worked, some stuff didn't. And this is more a video blog about what happened to me and my stories. It's not filled with a lot of gorgeous content of the mountains in northern Idaho or anything like that. It's more about the personal experiences, what worked and what didn't work. I mean, you guys can go watch, high definition videos and B-rolls of hunts in Idaho. But for me, it was really getting down to what's real and what is hype that you're seeing on a lot of these high budget hunting videos. It's something that I always wanted to do. So please enjoy, go through. I'd love to hear any comments. Look, I spent thousands of hours and thousands of dollars on this hunt. And any hint you guys want, anything I can do to help, from e-scouting or picking the area, picking the time of year, any questions that you guys have, I would love to hear feedback on. I would love to give you answers, because at the end of the day, it's not about the kill for me. It's more about the sport. And I really feel like the sport of hunting, unfortunately, is dying with these younger generations. And I would love to see people really embrace it and get back out in the woods and spend time with Mother Nature. And for me, find a whole lot of God moments. So enjoy. Please give me as much feedback as you'd like on what you'd like to see. I will be releasing them here just kind of in bits and pieces, but will be coming out over the next several days. And again, I got a whole lot of additional information I can give you, but I want to be respectful of what y'all want. So please tune into the comments below and let me know. Thank you. Enjoy.